This morning, you've got time for a hot home-cooked breakfast. Delicious and piping hot in only 3 microwave minutes.
Good morrow, my fellow friends. Today I would like to share about my UML, which stands for Unified Modeling Language. So what does it do exactly? So in instance of a project, UML defines all the classes and variables used in the project. So this is like the basic step or the first step of creating your algorithm. So in our project, the HongLeong Bank project holds many types of variables, and those variables is classified into different structures as we know as classes. So let's say the personal particulars have personal particular classes, and the student details have student details classes, which in my opinion, these are all the classes that I have come up with by reading the whole view of the form. The form has actually a lot of variables, and this is what I come up with. So STPM, CGPA, SPM, student context, level, current detail, and don't forget the two below, which is student details and date of birth. So each and every one of these classes have very specific data type and also some kind of variables in it. Let me zoom it up. One. As you can see, inside the STPM class, it has the CGPA float A int B int C int. So what does it mean is that there is an object or a variable CGPA with data type float and also ABC with data type int is declared in this STPM. However, these variables or data types is classified as private, as you can see by the minus sign next to it. So these private variables, as we call it, can only be accessed within this STPM class directly. However, if let's say a CGPA class needs to access these private variables, one must use a setGet method to access them. Therefore, this setGet method should be accessed as public. Alright, so you might have noticed all these yellow lines. What does it really mean? Okay, let's take an example of the current detail and level. As you can see in the middle screen right here, stand still. Oh, okay. So current detail and level. A level has a variable of LVL and its data type string, and this class level has a setGet method which is public. So in current detail actually has an object L which has data type level. What does it mean is that the object L is instantaneous inside this class, which holds the class level, which means object L has also a data type string and an object LVL in it. So current detail will call upon this level class inside its own class. So these orange links is what we call as just links. This is not inheritance or encapsulation. Encapsulation is just private objects and data types within this class. So as you can see by this class right here, it's called record. Due to its center of attention, like all these yellow lines merge towards it, which means record is the jack of all trades of all these classes. It holds every single one of these classes, and to access it we have to use set and get due to its private. So this record is currently holding for one person only. So let's say there's multiple persons, then if you key in the data of those applicants, we will actually replace the data within the class. So we don't want that. So what we did is that we create another class which is called AppList, and this AppList will hold a record class with an object name R in 100 size of array. So this record object, this R, the object name is R, will be used in the main class. So that is all, and we will look through our main class later on. Alright, it's now the time you have been waiting for. This is the GUI itself. Now, as you can see, this is the GIF which I mentioned earlier. This is what we call Jake the Dog GIF, and I implemented between the home address and the corresponding address. And this is my GUI again. This is the summary of application, personal information, and also purpose field of study, very important. And also these 4 buttons as you seen earlier. So let's go on ahead and click on submit without creating any data inputs. So as you can see, there will be a message box. Error, Java line number format instruction for input string null. That means you have not input anything inside all our boxes. So this thing, the message box, will only appear when you catch an error. So what I did was in the code is using try catch. So let's just go ahead and click OK. And let's continue on to input some data. Let's say we'll put 2%.
All hail King Neptune and his water breathers. No snail thing too quick for his water feeders. Don't waste time with your net. Our net worth is set. Ready, go. Many know others. We be the colors of the mad and the wicked. We be bad. We be bricket with the 24-hour sign.
Alright, now we click submit. Data has been entered. So this is for only one person, and when we click display, it will display my name and also my IC number. So OK here, and let's clear out all these text fields. Ding ding ding, and all these text fields are empty. Alright, let's continue on to our next person.
Don't waste time.
Again, we will click submit. Data has been entered. So let's say we display all this data. There you go. Name of the first participant and the second participant. So these are all displayed, and we click OK. So I think that's it about my GUI. Click exit and bid farewell. Goodbye.